across things, you realize cities, which are powers, you realize cities that you've had, that are part of you, that you've known, and you don't even know how you know them, and you don't even know how to do certain things. And all of a sudden, at different points of your life, things are revealed to you. Skills and understanding are just revealed to you on the way. So this particular, the 13th putty, the hidden knowledge of infinity, it's just so much of the esoteric, the knowledge of the universe, of ultimate infinite consciousness, can just be revealed to you. You just know, like when you just know without knowing, that's like that's a piece of this one. That's a piece of this, is like you just know what you know because you know it. And the more you just know, and the more you just know, the more you trust, and the more you trust, and that's within yourself, but the more you trust within yourself, and the more you trust within your understanding of sort of the wider, broader perspective of just kind of like the laws of the universe, how things work, then you are more and more in command of shifting your reality, and ensuring that your reality is coded, your experiential reality is coded in a way that favors you, that's aligned for you, and that you're in command of. You understand how to move things, how to shift things, how to not necessarily even move things as an action, but move things with your mind, move things with your consciousness, move things with your steadiness and your knowing and understanding, and therefore things around you shall move. And of course, with the mantra, the vibration of the mantra, these codes are very much connected to your command power within the whole scope of the universe. And again, your experience here on earth as a human in 3D, and all of that projecting from who you are. So the world mirrors you. The world mirrors your vibration and your frequency. And the more you chant the mantra, whatever mantra, the more you chant the mantra, your internal environments reorganize and rearrange in such a way that then everything outside of you reflects that. And that's in relationships, that's in prosperity, that's in your work, that's in creativity, that's in opportunities there, that's in how things flow for you and how things go for you, just in a day to day, and just in the scope that, did things move in your favor? Do you feel like you're pushing against, or does everything sort of just kind of move with you and flow with you and dance with you? And then when things don't appear to be moving in your favor, then how do you really see it, and how do you, in a moment, how are you able to just shift that? Okay. And so that's just really mastering the mind, and mastering and commanding our whole entire experience here on earth. And it's not about controlling, it's about being in command and understanding that everything is a reflection of you. So again, a kind of an easy way to just do that is chant mantra, and just everything rearranges for you, because your sound, your voice, your command, your decisions, that's what shapes the fabric of reality. It's the word. All is mind, everything's mental. These are laws of the universe. And by practicing this technology, you are giving yourself amplified power in things just moving in a way that is in favor of you, and a way that the universe serves you, serves your command, serves your intention, serves your decree, serves your decisions, serves your choice, because it's always going to do that. It's always going to serve your choice. It's always going to serve your assumption. It's always going to serve your beliefs. It's always going to serve what you know about yourself, about what you assume about the external. So then, what are you deciding? What are you decreeing? What are you believing? What are you assuming? What are you choosing? Okay, and so the sound, the mantra, it just and they all do. They just go into the subconscious psyche. They go into all areas of the psyche, hidden areas, conscious, subconscious, unconscious, conscious, and it just rearranges everything so that you're vibrating your divinity. And when you are divine, so is your life and everything around you and everyone around you and every experience around you. And it allows you to see things from that perspective, from your God perspective, from your divinity, from your position as source, which you are the source of your entire reality. So once you have that, then things just work differently in your life, and you're the one really as the master of your reality and the commander in a way that is very steady, rooted, and with a real deep knowing and understanding of the power that you really are. Okay.